Hi, so welcome to online examination system. I'll be taking you. My name is Moffat Ngacha. So this online examination system is developed by 4 developers from Kenya. That is Derrick Mwabili, Derrick Abuga, I, and Kandie Andrew. So that is what actually DDMA stands for, the initials of the 4 developers. So it has 2 modules, the administrator and the candidates module. So I'll take you first through the administrator module. So I come and log in as an administrator. So after I log in, then it takes me to the various courses which are available. So for the various courses, here I can be able to check on the various courses and also to be able to create a new course. So I create a new course. So our course name is Java. Then the course type is desktop programming. The level we give a beginner, then we create. So having created the exam, we have it here. It's listed as the last one. So we can be able to add a new question. So here we come and add a new question. So we can add either a free form or a multiple choice. So for I'll start with the free form. So for the free form, the question is which are the 4 principles of object-oriented programming. So here you have the question, and then so we give us an answer template which is separated by semicolons. So the answers are modularity, encapsulation, we have hierarchy, and you have abstraction. Then we give the total marks for the users. So we give 8 marks for this, and then you save. So that question, if you click on it, you should be able to activate the question. So you have various options to activate, to deactivate, to edit, and the others. So I'll just activate. So we have the question there. We can also add another new question. This time we can add a multiple choice question. So we add a multiple choice. So the question is which is not a valid data structure in Java. So we give the various options, which are stack, list, set, and tree. So the actual answer is set. So we give the marks. Let's give them 2 marks, and then we save. So after that, we are supposed to activate the question so that the student can be able to take it, and then we edit the course details. So here we activate the course details, and you give the amount of time. So we will give them 2 minutes to do that. It's a very simple test. Then update. So having done that, the question is available. So to notify the students that you have a new exam available, we'll update the news feed. So the news feed is what appears at this location. So for the news feed, we're going to inform the users that Java beginner course is now available. And then we save. So if you look at this, you'll find that you have the new news feed there, so the students can be able to see it. So at that point I just log out, and then we can now have the student signing up for their to be able to take a test. So the student will come and sign up. So here we find that the checklist, we have the username cannot be blank, the username must be available, and all the others. So it will be going checking each of them. So when you come to the username, I come and type a username and an email. So, and as you look at this, you find that the username, the values are being ticked as we go on. Then the password, yeah, and you find that yeah, so for the password it says that it has to have at least 8 characters, which already has. So if your password does not have 8 characters, it will not be accepted. And then we just confirm, and then you sign up. So if the details are okay, it will give you a success message. So at that point the student can now be able to log in and take a test. If you look at the various items here, you cannot be able to access them if you've not logged in. So you come to the username, you type the username and the password, and then I can log in. So if I make an error, it will give you the details that you have a wrong password. So if I correct my password, then I can be able to log in successfully. So at this point it shows that you should update your biography and also professional profile. So I come and update my biographic information. So I list my name, my first and my last name, then I list my date of birth, using the format specified here. And then I list my phone number, and the physical address. So we have the physical address listed there, and then so these details are already okay. So we update, yeah, so the and it gives you a tick to show that the biographic information is already updated. So the next one is you update the professional profile. So you come to my profile, then you update professional profile. So you have your area of specialization. So I'll choose desktop, and then show courses, I say beginner. So I have my course there, which is Java, and then so after I select Java, it appears there. So I update. So having done that, it means that I can be able now to take a test after I've updated my biographic and professional profile. So I'll come here and take a test, and then I'll view the various exams available, and then I'll be able to take the exam for Java. So at this point I come and start my exam, and you have the various question and their question IDs. So I can be able to start an exam. So the remaining time is shown, which is 2 minutes. So I have my question here, which are the 4 principles of object-oriented programming, 8 marks. So I can be able to type my answers here. So I type my answer as maybe encapsulation, and yeah, so that may be my answer. Then I submit. Then the next question, which is not a valid data structure in Java, and then let's say I come and select set, then I submit. So it shows me I have no more questions to display. So that means that congratulations, and so I only need to select my course so that I can view the rest of my results. So I click on Java, and I have the questions I did 2 questions. The total marks are 4 out of 10, and the date is already shown there. So I have already my transcript given there. So yeah, so from there an administrator can be able to edit the various details that they can be able to confirm whether the user actually did the right thing and actually whether they are awarded the marks fair. So I'll log out, and then you can be able to log in as a super user, that is an administrator. Then after I log in, I can come and view the results of the various people who have done. And so I come to the last exam that was taken. I'll see the student who did was Moffat Ngacha. They did 2 questions, and out of the 2, yeah, they got 4 total marks, which is an average of 4 marks. So at that point I can be able to see the various details. If I click on the question ID, I'll be able to see what they answered. So if I need to add the marks, I can add update. Then I click on the next question ID, and so the correct answer was set, and this is what they answered. So at that point we can be able to view the student can be able to take the examinations online. So that is a brief presentation. Thank you.